Hi everyone. So today we are going to talk about the page object model POM with the TestNG. So the page object model is a design pattern used in TestNG framework to enhance the test maintenance and reduce the code duplications. It works like creating a separate Java class for each page of the web application and which holds all the web element locators and the methods that interact with them. So consider a scenario. You want to avoid the duplicate Selenium code across the different test cases. So definition POM is a design pattern where each page of the application is represented as a separate class containing its locators and actions. So analogy like this is like blueprint for the each room in a house and one class represents the one page. So here is a sample code snippet for the login page.java. So public class login page and driver and we are having the locators and constructors and page actions in the page classes. So in locators we are going to write like by user equals to by.id username and by password equals to by.id password locator and by.login button equals to by.id login. And we need to write down a constructor like public login page driver and this dot driver equals to driver, and we are writing the page actions for the login method and public void login and parameterize it like string username and string password and driver dot find element user dot send keys and driver dot find element password dot send keys password and driver dot find element login button dot click. So this is the sample page class file for the login page. And usage like make the test automation code reusable and it is easy to maintain locators since they are stored in one place. And memory trick like POM is a blueprint for each page. And finally, I conclude like POM improves the readability and maintainability of your test automation framework. So interview tip. So like I asked what is the page object model. So it is a design pattern where each page has its own class file and containing the page locators and reusable methods to interact with those elements.